Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The government has established a task force to examine the operations of Jamaica's business process outsourcing BPO sector amid concerns about job losses and the growing impact of artificial intelligence. Labour and the Social Security Minister, Pernell Charles Jr., says the task force will engage stakeholders across the industry, which currently employs nearly 60,000 people. Speaking to RJR News, Minister Charles was responding to questions about the loss of 9,200 jobs in the sector between April 2025 and April of this year. He stressed that the purpose of the task force is not to criticize the industry, but to work with operators to develop strategies that will help workers adapt to emerging technologies. According to the minister, the focus will be on ensuring employees become more compatible with artificial intelligence, allowing the technology to enhance productivity rather than displace workers. Data released by the Bank of Jamaica show that foreign direct investment inflows to Jamaica have fallen from almost US $900 million in 2017 to US $283.2 million last year. There was a slight recovery in the following years before rising to US $429 million in 2023. However, the Bank of Jamaica data shows renewed weakness thereafter, with inflows slipping to $283.2 million US last year. The decline comes even as Jamaica's debt to GDP ratio improves significantly, moving from about 121% in earlier years to around 68% more recently. For the trading period of July 7, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Elite Diagnostic Limited with 31,538,389 units, representing 58.43% of market sales activities. Omni Industries Limited with 5,570,966 units, representing 10.32% of market sales activities. Jetcon Corporation Limited with 4,340,737 units, representing 8.04% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in medical services and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 7, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.25 and buying at $157.54. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $2.40 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $112.70 and was bought for $110.30. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $4.87 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $209.33 and was bought for $204.33. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, is the rising cost of living quietly damaging your credit score? As the cost of groceries, utilities, housing, and transportation continues to rise, many people are turning to credit, not to build wealth, but simply to maintain their standard of living. This shift has a hidden consequence: declining credit scores. When everyday expenses are financed with credit, customers often carry higher credit card balances, larger percentage of their available credit, and make only minimum payments. Plus, they apply for additional loans or credit cards. They experience cash flow challenges that can lead to late payments. These behaviors increase the risk perceived by lenders and can lower your credit score, making future borrowing more expensive. That said, the goal is to protect your credit. So the best thing to do is pay something, if not everything, on time. Payment history is one of the most important factors in your credit score. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.